G'day guys, I hope you are well. This is brought to you by FTX, the exchange that I use. And while we're at it, look, yesterday I did my, what was it? Tuesday. What's today? Thursday. 2 days ago, I did my 3 p.m. scan, going through the FTX list of products. Of course, they are all here in a list that I do a couple of times a day. Now, if you want that list, oh geez, what's that? I thought it was up higher. If you want this list, please email admin@tradercobb.com and we will send you this exact list of all the FTX perpetual contracts, which is where I use my strategies for the most part because there's good margin, good stop losses, good entries, good take profits. It fits what I'm after, all right? So therefore it'll fit what you're after if you're going to trade the similar way as I do. Another thing I want to bring to your attention is that I know a lot of you have opened up your accounts. Okay, I know that. But I also know there's a large number of you that are not trading on these accounts just yet. Now, I want you to let me know, all right? Put it in the comments. Just drop it down below here. I want you to let me know why not. Like, what do you need? How can I, what sort of content do you need to get started to start trading? Of course, we've got the course available to you, all right? You can go through that and get the trading strategy. You've got the account, or if you don't have the account, sign up on the link below. The 10% on your trading fees there. Please do that. But what is it that's holding you back? Because we've got the video also in the description there to show you how to raise orders. So I want to know by you telling me the sort of stuff that you need to take that next step to get you trading, because that's the objective here. It's to help you guys to understand what you're looking for. You know, FTX have put this on to give you free education. We're doing that. We just want to see is there anything I'm missing? Is there something that you need more to get you going? And if there is, hey, look, I'll put it together. I'll do the best that I possibly can to get you that material, to get you trading. So again, sign up on that link below, watch that raising order video, and we'll be good to go. So and obviously ask by admin@tradercobb.com if you want this list. Okay, so what am I looking at today? Well, let's start with Bitcoin here. And we're going to go out to the daily just to kick this puppy off. If you look at this daily here, of course, the day before, we saw the big fall. We went up through 10,000, it went straight back down. We've steadied the ship right in and around this sort of 9,500, 600 sort of region. Now, we do have a little bullish candle right there in that cradle zone, but the trend isn't really established enough for me right now to be going ahead and looking to place trades on Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Does that mean that I won't trade at all? Well, no, because I've got a higher low here and I have a higher high here. And if I look at the 12-hour here, you'll actually know it's gotten a little bit funky up here. If I go lower though, let's go to the 2-hour. Starting to get a little bit of activity back, higher low pushing on here, and it's really, as we go lower, we'll start to see it. It's starting to open up and breathe a little bit more. Higher low, higher high. What I'm really hopeful to see is I want to see it go to another high. If we can push through another high, then it starts to open up a bit better cyclicity for us to start trading. The 30-minute and the 15 not really worth looking at yet. That's why I want to see that push through, because this has been a little bit rough and raggedy running through there. There was a little flat level yesterday as we sort of looked through here. It wasn't perfect, but a nice little break that did move quite well in the afternoon or evening, I think it was. Anyhow, let's now go and have a look at the rest of what's in there. So Bitcoin not doing a great deal. It needs to push on a little bit further. If it can do that, hey, I'm going to the 15-minute. I am on it. I will be a happy little chappy. Looking here at Bitcoin Cash now, again on the daily. It doesn't look all that pretty, does it? There is a bullish candle and a break to the high would be quite nice to see. But look, it's still quite choppy and caught up. That's why I've had to go to these lower time frames here just to see if there's some cyclicity coming through. And we do have a wee bit there. Higher, low, high, higher, low, high. They're not the biggest, okay? They're not the biggest, swings. But if we look at the 30-minute here, we're starting to move. Again, I want to see it. If we can just see it push on a little bit more, that pullback is what I'm looking to buy if I can get it. On to Link next. I've been watching Link this morning. There's a little bit of resistance starting to show up here. So I'll look for one of two things. If you've got my Bitcoin breakout strategy, you know what we're looking for there. If not, I'll talk to the cradle, which I think most of you have got through the FTX education series that I put on. Right now, we're looking at two things. We've got a nice trend here. One of the better trends out there right now is actually Chainlink. Like it's starting to sort of wake up again. Have a look at this on the 2 hour. Beautiful movement. Let's look back to the daily now. You can see here it was consolidating for quite a while. It's come out of that now. So naturally, since it's come out of that consolidation, it starts to open up potential opportunity for me. And that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for these midterm trends to offer opportunity. A little bullish candle in this region here would be super duper. Failing that, if I didn't get it, a break above and possibly a cradle back in to this region. There's no point lower because it is a little bit messy at the moment. So just waiting to see either if we pull back and get that small bullish candle on the 2 hour, because the 4 hour, I believe, moving averages are in the correct order, as you can see here. And look, beautiful one there. Bounce, bounce. That's what I'm waiting for. So we'll see how that goes. On to Ethereum perp. Again, this trend is killer. It's performing really, really nice. Look at this 2 hour. Again, really nice higher, low, high, higher, low, high. That daily time frame, although it did pull back, we kept the trend in motion. There is a higher low here, a higher high. It still looks really, really nice. So that's why my focus is on Ethereum at the minute. Let me just jump out of the 2 to the 1. You can see here, look, a little pullback into here. Magnificent. That's what I'm after. It's not there yet, but again, it is looking quite nice. A little pullback in there, and look, you would have got 1-to-1 on that cradle. Look at this one, beautiful. These little pullbacks, although not always offering opportunities, that's where the cradle zone lives, and that's where my trading opportunities live. On to Litecoin again. It's not as good a trend on the 15, but check out the 2. It's not as smooth, right? It's not as smooth as something like Ethereum is, but it is moving. I'm keeping a close eye on this today. I really like this little one back here. Now, I was actually doing my scan, for my members at that time. I didn't get that, and I was actually keeping a close eye on it, hoping we get a little flat level in there. Didn't quite get that, but naturally you can see there a little bullish candle. It is moving. You could be live in that trade right now. I'm not, because I was waiting for that flat level. But if it does push higher, little pullbacks back in for little cradle trades again. So we're being dominated right now by the lower time frame trends. There's a few out there. They are looking quite nice. Want to see the market spring back into action. There's been a little more upward momentum coming out the back of the big sell-off the other day. Just got to wait and see if we can get a bit more height out of this. That's what I'm going to be waiting for, as a pullback in. We've got plenty out there that are looking quite good. This is the pick of the bunch for me. Bitcoin Cash Link, Ethereum, and Litecoin. But we'll have to wait and see what comes later. Remember, we plan our trades first, and then we trade our plan once that comes into scope. Don't forget, please get your account for FTX down the bottom. Okay, hit the like button, the love heart button. Make me, do that thing. I think that helps for viewers and whatnot. So that's good. Open the account. And if you want the list, email admin@tradercobb.com. If there's a reason why you're not using your account at FTX, please put it in the comments. I want to know how I can help you more and do more for you. Have a great day. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.